Alright, welcome guys to another Blender and Godot live stream. I'm your host Ozpin, and today we're going to be continuing on making our game for this month, I guess. The title of the stream is called Turning My Game into Duck Hunt. Now, what does that exactly mean? Well, as you know guys, I'm making a space shooter here in freaking Godot and Blender. And I want to create some freaking unique enemy types here in my game to make it stand out from the existing space shooters / shoot 'em ups out there on Steam and the internet. I don't really know what genre my game is called. I thought it was a space shooter, but some people say that's more so a shoot 'em up. But anyway, I am now making the last enemy type here in my game, and this one's a very unique one because unlike the other ones wherein they try to at least kill you with either some bullets that they spawn behind their backs or by charging straight at you, this specific enemy type, how do we say this? This specific enemy type is one that will kill you by trying to snipe you from the sky. Now, if you guys have heard of this old game from the NES era called Duck Hunt, you would have known that it's like a game wherein it's your job as a hunter to shoot ducks from the sky. Well, in this specific enemy type, I want there to be a hunter type of enemy in my game, wherein instead of you playing as the hunter, you will be playing as the duck. And the hunter enemy type will be the one that will try to snipe you from the ground. And how he will try to snipe you is by freaking spawning a crossfire that can like instantly kill you if you reach its line of sight. So that's what we'll be doing for this stream. We will be making a hunter enemy type. I thought I could do this like off stream, but I feel like I've learned enough to have an idea on what I should do to make a hunter enemy type in my game. So with that being said, let's just jump into it, shall we? So I'll create this little explosion here, and it's like, I guess, the result of what happens if the hunter starts shooting down at you. So you can sort of tell that this enemy is a pretty advanced enemy type. But we'll first create the animations for this. Where is it? Hold on, is there audio playing in the background? Okay. Cool. So let's make a duck cycle. Oh, that's very small. What the heck? Alright. Let me make a camera first. Camera. Alright. And okay, this guy's already like pretty symmetrical to me. Okay, now I need to just rotate the camera here for a bit. Let's make it like 90 degrees here, 90 degrees on the Z, and 0 on the Y. Okay. Alright, and this camera should be moved towards the duck cycle. Alright, and then let's move this camera a bit backward, like so. Maybe like this, maybe. Okay. Alright, and then how do I... is this the rotation angle? No. Okay. Alright, I'll make this like 48 frames long, maybe. Maybe like this. There we go. And then let's make it 48 frames long. Let's see if this easily loops. Let's see. It kind of loops. Okay. Alright. So once it's done, I need to make a folder here. And my Helipper WS highlights. I don't like this one. This one here. By the way, guys, I've been busy this past few days, like making a bunch of highlight reels for my second channel. And I've also created like this specific power-up on my game that can like spawn laser for you to use if ever you collect this certain icon that spawns during X amount of time in your game. Thumbnails? Is it thumbnails? No, it's in Blender, I think. Alright, PNGs. Sprites. Let's make a new folder. Call this a duck cycle. And we'll make a walking animation here, or a forward animation, I guess. Alright, there we go. And then over here in Blender, you will make a So it's only 28 seconds long. Maybe like 24? No, 28 this seems to be like the good number. Alright. Oh, I did a misinput there, but it surprisingly it's like the right amount to make it look like it's looping right here. Okay, let's change the file directory here from there to duck cycle forward, except save this, render. Hold on. Okay, nothing is being shown here, right? Okay. Let's render the animation. This is just 28 frames of looping animation. I will import into Blender. Into Godot, I mean. Then after that, we need to make a moving animation. And then we need to make the scripts in Godot. Alright. I guess while we're at it, we can also create a... because I made like a projectile here. Set active camera. Get rid of the turtle ball. And it's... other stuff here. Where's this coming from? Ah, alright. Now this crossfire, I want to change its color to like, or maybe I can change it on. Yeah, maybe I'll just change. I'll just create a shader for this on Godot. Okay, back to duck cycle. Okay. Okay, over here, I need to make like a quick turnaround animation. Let's see, maybe like 6 frames. Let's see. Okay, rotation. Okay, where's this? Ah, there it is. Then like 6. Let's try 6 frames. I want this to be very quick. Okay, rotation. Maybe 12 frames. That looks too quick. G. Right. How about change the interpolation, please? Object transformation Z Euler. Interpolation type. Handle type. Easing type. I think ease in would work. Let's see. Okay, finally, let's just get rid of the animation for the Taurus here. Okay. Render animation. Wait, no. Okay. I got a little bit a little bit worried there because there was like a little bit of lag spike there where it didn't show any photos, and I'm like, yo, did I render the animation in a different folder? What if I overridden some stuff? But this is a turnaround. Turn around. Okay. And then let's change the file path to here. Except turn around. Render. Animation. Okay, cool. Oh, we're getting this done finally. Alright. Alright, that's some good shit. Alright, now that's done, I can close Blender, I guess. I'll hide freaking yes here. Alright, let's go to Godot. We'll make a quick enemy type. And I'm not sure if I'll do anything afterwards. We'll just see depending on how quick I can make this. But anyway, since we're in Godot now, I want to just show you guys what I've been making offline. I created, like, I guess a power-up mechanic wherein it spawns a laser that will instantly kill your enemies. Hold on, let me just quickly load my file here. Okay. Again, I think I have some optimization issues here. Things are running very slow in Godot right now, which really tests me from publishing this in the web and instead maybe publishing it as a .exe file. I don't know. It's I'm really thinking about it. Whether I should make this a HTML5 game or a application you can download from itch.io or something. Again, this game doesn't have anything too complicated about it, but I am like trying to exploit as much about the space shooter genre as I can, or shoot 'em up genre as I can. Alright, let's see. So, to give you guys some updates to my game, I created this little these 3 variables here that represents the add-ons that I want to try and implement into my game. So we have a var laser on, var shield on, and a var bubble shot on. And basically these 2 bool statements or bool variables are here to enable a bunch of power-ups I want to try and implement here into my game. So far I've only created like one power-up in my game, which is the laser on. And to give you guys an example of how it works, I'm gonna play my game right now. Since it's already set to true, I'm gonna play my game. And I'm gonna show you guys what I made. Alright. Again, the load times here need some fixing. And I still haven't made the spawning system yet, because I want to try and research more on that. And I still haven't made a comfortable UI here. So, oh wow. I think I forgot to hide some of my stuff here. But anyway, as you can see, oh, I've made a laser in my game. And as of now, it can only be spawned if I manually change the global variables. But if I were to say, hold on. Okay, good. Let me do it one more time, because there are some times wherein the enemies just doesn't delete itself, and I'm questioning whether it has something to do with scripts or something. Anyway, it works. Let's see. Okay, maybe I just need to be like, maybe I need to like widen the scope of my collision for the laser. But yeah, I made this laser. Look at that. It looks pretty cool, right? So now that we've created this laser, I'll work on that for a little bit off stream, because I don't want the laser to always be the default weapon. It needs to be like a power-up that's run on a timer. So, and I want it so that it can only be enabled by collecting a coin or a icon that spawns every nth time you kill a enemy or something. So we will work on that on another stream, but for now we'll be working on the enemy character here, our new enemy character. Just quickly, let me just fix up my node tree here, and let's create a character body 2D, or yeah, maybe a character body 2D for now. Character body 2D with a script, with an enemy script. Let's also make a sprite 2D, or an animated sprite 2D. Let's see, this one. And also a collision shape 2D. Okay. And this collision shape can be maybe a rectangle. And animation, I'll make a new sprite frame here. Let's import some of the assets. Let's see, small machines. No, I want this under the sprites folder here. Whoop. Oh, I put in the small scenes, god damn it. Hold on. I need to organize my shit here. Alright, so just to recap, we are making a sniper type of enemy here. So let's first make small sprite seeds, sprites, small scenes, duck cycle. Okay. Move this all the way down to sprites. And I think this will be a little bit of a hard enemy to implement, because not only is its mechanics a bit more complicated than the rest here, I'm also wondering whether this guy's too difficult to be implemented into my game. It's just like an advanced enemy type that I'm implementing, and I'm not sure whether or not this could be something that may increase the difficulty curve to a high margin. We'll just see. Okay, so first let's make a forward animation here. And then let's make a turbo car. Turbo car, laser, no, there's a duck cycle, there it is. Let's make a forward animation. Import all of these frames onto here. Nice. And we'll make a turnaround. Turn around. Okay. And let's make them all 24 frames. This one is set to looping. This one is set to not looping. This is a turnaround animation after all. And let's go to not here. Oh, you need to make like a seconds. Say branches scene. Alloon? No. Small scenes. Water plane, flower drone. I'll call this duck cycle. Okay. Duck cycle. Okay. Let's go to this scene. Alright. And let's implement some of the stuff here. Starting with, let's change up the frickin' collision shape here. Maybe I'll make this I'll make this a capsule shape. Gotta say though, like when trying to use the capsule shape here in Godot, it feels very wonky. In the sense that you can change the horizontal on itself, but vertically you're. Oh, I guess it doesn't work like that. But sometimes you can only manipulate the y-axis of your capsule, and sometimes you manipulate both if you move one of the vertices here. Anyway, here's the capsule shape. Maybe I'll make it like this. There we go. Let's make it very big just to make it so that it can be collided with the rest. Okay, now we need to create a script here. It's a very basic script. We just need to make animated sprite 2D. What? Oh no, that's not what I want. Okay, here. Let's make a duck cycle scene. I don't think I need to create any state machines for this one, because it's only two states as move forward and stop. Okay, let's move this to the assets folder, the scripts folder. Sure, we'll just not make. Yeah, maybe I'll make a new folder here. Call it duck cycle. Because even if this is like the only script for this enemy, I think I need to make another script for the crossfire itself. So let's open the scripts tab here, duck cycle, and create. Okay. All right, and I want to extend the enemy type here. Nice. So now when how to say this? Now if I just like change a few stuff here, it will be linked to the combat system I've created for this freaking game. So, but again, this already still like the enemy class. So let's see, func, physics, or I guess for here we can make a maybe like a func physics process, maybe func physics process. Timer. We'll make a timer. Var timer equals. Wait. Maybe I make a. Now I'll just make the timer here. Var timer equals 1. Okay. Or timer. Times delta. Wait. Or should I make a bool variable? Is stop equals, or has stop maybe, has stop equals false. Okay. If timer, if has stop equals false, velocity dot x equals maybe 200. 200's good. Anyway, I don't think or maybe I should make a freaking speed variable. Var speed equals 200 or 300. So really 300. Speed times delta. Should I make a, yeah, sure, why not? We'll make a delta variable for this one. Elif has stop equals true, then velocity dot x equals speed times delta. Okay. And let's also link up the animation sprite here. Let's see. Alright. Animate sprite 2D dot animation equals I just realized that. Oh, there. Okay. Equals forward. Okay. Now I wonder if this will work. And by work I mean this specific line of code here, because for some reason I tried to implement this with my later code for this game, and for some reason this doesn't work anymore for some reason. And I'm now like at a point where I'm like fighting against the Godot game engine to get these animations to work. Equals turn around. Okay. Okay, now we need to make a variable that can change has stop. Okay, maybe make a timer. Let's see. Var timer. Wait, get tree dot create timer. There it is. Create timer. What's the float? You'll make it like maybe 4 seconds. Let's see. Wait, get timer. Wait, maybe I should rearrange my script here. Because I feel like I'll be locked into this if I make two if statements here. So instead I'll create this. If has stop equals true. So it will ignore all this. I'll make this other script here. Wait. Oh wait, no, I need the Control C. Control V. Okay. But I get rid of this section. Put this here. Forward, yeah. Control C. There we go. Wait, get tree dot create timer 4 seconds. Velocity dot x equals speed times delta. Or wait, Control C. Control V. Has stop equals true. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm gonna just play this. See, does this scene fit? Oh, it doesn't fit. Okay, I'll just shrink this down. Transform. Shrink it down like this. All right. I'll move it to the camera here, to the right here. Let's move this here. There we go. And let's play this specific scene. And we'll just see if this. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, I know. But I just want to play this. I'll change the freaking. I'll change the transformations once I'm finished looking into the script here. Okay, let's go. Okay, why is it not running? I have a sprite here. Hey, why do I have this? Where's the class enemy type? Ah, it's for the. Alright. I see. Can I reload the scene? Let's see. P. Hmm. Okay, it's not doing anything here. We need to spawn it into the... I need to spawn it into this rockets. The scene itself, maybe? Let me see. Duck cycle. Oh, before we do that, let's just change the transformation here. 0, 0, and 1. Okay. Down here. Oh wow, it's a big enemy. Now, we need to change this to... I need to change the transformation of this. There we go. Okay, now let's move it down here. Maybe right over here. We'll see if this would change anything. Alright, play the scene. Oh. And I'm like wondering, why is this not doing anything? Alright, hold on, let me just get rid of these guys. Okay, will this guy at least like kill itself? No? Okay, this guy ain't killing himself. Let me go back to the scripts here. Okay, extends enemy. We need to make a move and slide. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It's moving at least. Oh, let me put a little class enemy type here. Class enemy. Process. Okay, we do have a move and slide here. Why is it not like transferring to, or maybe it has to be like after. Maybe it has to be like after I created the velocity that I call the move and slide function here. Okay. Alright, no, I need to maybe move it here, maybe. Move it here. I don't want it to be like... Yeah, this is good. And then back in the duck cycle script. Now, why is the animation playing? Be animation.play. Animated sprite 2D.play. Forward. There we go. Alright, let's play it. Oh boy. This is... Oh my god, why is the animation not playing? Maybe it's because I'm calling it twice, the sprite, the same animated sprite 2D. I don't know, I don't think that's how it works. To create like an export variable for the enemy class. Come on, move! You freaking ass. Did they delete me? No? Wow, this guy's useless. Alright. Okay, maybe I need to put something in the process, maybe. If has stop equals true, then this sprite 2D will play. Else, or if that doesn't work, we'll make this frame here. Oh wait, no, we need to make this 0. 0. Or wait. I think I just need to... There we go. And then... elif has stop equals true equals false. I swear to God, it's always these if statements that I think is not working for me. Okay, there we go. And let's make a pass for this process function here. There. Is it working? I think I turn around. Let's see. Maybe delta. There we go. Yeah, what's the freaking time seconds? Float. Process always. Process always is false. Time will update at the end of the physics frame instead of the process frame. Dot timeout. Okay. Maybe that's how I'm supposed to do it? Wait. Alright, let's play this. Although I think this will be slow as frick. Now that I'm looking at this. At least it will turn around in under 4 seconds, I think. Okay, it works. Alright, nice. Okay. Let me play the scene one more time. And let's change the speed of this to, like, I don't know. Maybe 3,000 maybe? Let's see. I think the delta variable is really slowing this down. Okay, there we go. It's moving much quicker, I guess. Be negative 30,000? We're adding a lot of digits here. Let's see if this works. Oh. We can stack underflow. Engine bug? What do you mean engine bug? It those have been working all the time. Why is it now suddenly giving up on me? I swear to God, if this is like slowly killing the game engine. Oh, there it is. Why are you there? Not supposed to be there. Hold on. Where the fuck are you right now? You're supposed to be above the line, not under it. Let me see. Can I make changes to this? Wait. 0. Yeah. I'll make this like 10,000 maybe. Wait, I think I just realized why this thing is like... Okay. Let's make a speed variable here. Equals rand f range. Let's make it like 10,000 minus 10,000 to minus 20,000. Times direction. Like a var diary here. Equals -1. And let's maybe just change this to a float. Okay. So every time I reload my scene, or every time my guy gets called, it'll have like a random variable added into it. Okay. So right now he's like on the edge of this arrow, but if I do this again, I think it will go a little bit farther. Okay, why is it going down? That's not supposed to be going down. Oh wait, maybe it has to do with maybe the... Does that have something to do with the collision? Hold on. Must have something to do with the collision, right? Yeah, maybe it has something to do with the collision. Let me change the collision to... It's not having to detect anything at all. And let's see if this would still... Okay. We can reload the scene. Hey, okay, it's working. Let's reload it. See if it changes its position. Oh yeah, it's definitely changing position now. Okay, now I just need to create a... Oh, what the frick happened to my guy? Okay, why is it? I noticed that the other gun I'm using is spawning, even if laser on is turned on. Okay, I might need to change that. Wait. I think there's something to do with the Helibird. Let's see. Right laser area. Left laser area. They just have to be like divisible by 2. Okay, there we go. Same for this. 200. 200. And is that the laser area here? Okay. Alright, let's see if this laser now works. Because even if my laser is like facing the left direction, anything that's behind me is also getting killed, so... And how the laser detects it is by like firing like an invisible square. Let's see. Okay, so I think it's now moving. Yeah, it's now moving the way I wanted to. Like, when this laser fires, there's like an invisible collision shape that gets spawned that moves left and right at a very quick speed. And if ever it detects like an enemy, it will get rid of that entirely. But how it like turns around is by detecting knowing whether or not it is in a specific position. And I set the turnaround point for this invisible box to be around position X equals 2000 and negative 2000 for both the right and left directions specifically. But when the box is moving, its position is updated every to plus 300 or negative 300 every frame. So the box is like, I guess, kind of moving beyond the position in which I wanted to turn around, and that's why I guess it's hitting some of the guys behind me. So okay. So to fix that problem, I just made it so that the speed of my box is a factor of 2000 and negative 2000 specifically, which is 200. I can make this 400, but to make sure that every enemy is killed, I will make it at a very slower speed, I guess. Slow enough speed wherein it can kill all enemies at once in the laser, while still being able to detect them all. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go back to the duck cycle here, and let's quickly implement a health mechanic here. Let's change this to 1. And I forgot to freaking... How did I do this again? Enemy detection area. Ah, I just need to make a collision shape. Okay. Duck cycle. Okay. I guess now in hindsight, I think I need to make this much smaller, I think. Like this, I guess. And then we need to make an area 2D here. and a collision shape 2D. Alright. And this collision shape can be a capsule shape, I guess. Like so. Have to be like a little bit bigger than the collision shape just to make sure my guy gets fired up. Okay. Yeah, I'll make it a little bit bigger. Bit bigger. There we go. Alright. Then we need to make a signal here that it gets called whenever something is put into this. Let's see. Function. An area. I'm gonna receive area. Enters the shape of this area. Area shape entered. Character body 2D. What did I use for the flower drone? Enemy detection. Okay. Make this here. Enemy detection. Wait. Did I call for this one? Area? Area, I think. Area. There we go. Okay. So I made a custom function here called enemy detection, and what this basically do is detect whether it's within the line of sight of the gun that I have currently equipped. And this function sits under the enemy class here I've created, which is over here. And what enemy detection do is basically just see whether or not global laser.on is false or true, or aka whether whether I have a power-up, the laser power-up equipped. If it's false, then it will detect whether it's within my line of aim for my default gun, which is just a default water sprayer. If it's in the right hit area, it will switch a variable here to lose health equals true. And this variable is used to guide the health process here. It says here if lose health equals true and input that is action pressed is shoot. And that means if I press the spacebar when the enemy is in the line of sight, it will run a new function here, which is lose health.delta. Lose health with a delta variable turned on. And under lose health, it will decrease the amount of health here by 2 seconds. It will spawn and it will create a new material for my class where it will start making blink onto the color texture and the white texture at a rapid speed. And if health is equal to 0, it will queue free, or aka it will just kill the enemy and all of its stuff. Let's see what else is here. And I also created like a laser on, and basically instead of like calling all these other functions here, I just instantaneously turned it into queue free. So global.bubble shot on pass. Okay. Alright, so back to here. I need to make another function here called function area shape exited. And this one will just be lose health equals false. Because I need something that can turn off the uh, I can switch the lose health from true to false if if the enemy is leaving the line of sight of the gun. So I created this little class here. So lose health equals false. What else is here? Class enemy. Okay, this should work now. Anything else need to include here? I don't think. Okay, I just need to implement that, and now all I have to do is run my game, and now my guy can get obliterated by my big freaking laser. Okay. I need to stretch my back. And of course, we're not yet done with the enemy, because that's just 1/2 of the enemy done. We need to now implement a spawning system to which the crossfire will be enabled. You shoot us down and kill us. So let's do that. Come on. Oh, yep, it works. Okay, nice. And now, what if I switch the global class here to the global class. Global class to laser on equals false. Did I implement a... Oh no, I think it's the... Oh no. Oh no, wait. Okay, wait, laser on is false. Did I make any updates to my script here? Oh yeah, I don't think I've made the. I don't think I made a script here for changing the animations here just yet. Or did I? Wait. I think I did. Wait. Input that is action pressed. Shoot animation. Oh, I did. Laser on equals false. Facing left equals false. Okay, maybe if I just reload the scene, maybe? I swear to God, if I can't like change the variable here on the fly. This sucks. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Back to the good old default sprayer, I guess. Okay, why is this guy not moving? Why is this guy not killing itself? I am over here. Hello. Oh, maybe it's because of the collision. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me change the... Is it a collision? Wait. Where is this right now? Collision 1-1. 1-1. Okay. Duck cycle. 1-1. Oh, it's 1-1. So why is it not giving me the deeds? Giving me the deeds to this. Okay, hold on. Let me quickly first make material here. Shader material. Quick load. Keep this one. Let's see. Oh, yep, that's the one. Okay. Sorry for the sorry for the Caesar warning, guys. Reload the scene. Use parent material is on for this one. What else? Enemy detection area. Print detected. Let's see. Okay, so it does recognize that it's here. Now, maybe it has something to do with the enemy detection area here. Let me see, class enemy. Laser is false, right hit area, global facing right equals true, loose health. Under loose health, the underscore delta is created. Self equals true. I'm going down here. Let me make a print function here. Pass shot. I'll go back to the duck cycle, get rid of this print function. Okay, so it will only detect if lose health is equal true and input dot is action press is shot. Hello? Hello? I'm shooting you right now. Not working, I guess. Maybe I need to move this like Control C. Move down here. Oh wait, no, it's no. Yeah, I can call it down here. And Control V, Control S. It must be like ignoring the health process under my class enemy type. Let's see if this works. There we go. Okay. I just had to like move the function to the class itself. So I guess it's annoying that I have to like do that every now and then. But hey, it's much better than like copying multiple lines of code into a unique script. Okay, so juba juba juba, juba juba juba, juba juba juba. There we go. All right, nice. Okay, so now we know that we'll delete that. We now need to make an area script here. Let's see. Under duck cycle. Okay. I'll call this hit target player target, and I'll make a new script. I'll make a new area 2D. Or wait, no, it should be a character. Hold on. I need to make a new 2D scene here. And I'll import the duck cycle. Where's the duck cycle? Duck cycle, yoo-hoo! Sprites, no, small scenes. Duck cycle. Okay, we'll import this here. Just like that. And we'll import I'll do it for the freaking. I guess we'll need to make an node 2D, I guess. There we go. And let me see. The car cannon. Okay. Save the scene. I'll save this scene as well too. Under small scenes, maybe? Let's see. Assets, small scenes. I have a lot of scenes here. Halberd animations. No. Let's call this like duck cycle and crossfire. We'll work on this on another time. I'll call this crossfire. Crossfire spawn. We'll make another scene here. Call it under node. So you make a character body 2D with its own animated sprite 2D. And a collision shape, I guess. But this collision shape ain't nothing. Ain't doing anything. So I'll just make a simple rectangle shape here. But the collision shape, this ain't detecting any collision at all. What's this? I mean that's no shape, it already has a shape. Oh, it's there we go. Let's put this like on top of the animate sprite 2D. And for the animate sprite 2D, we'll make a new sprite frame here. Oh wait, I need to make two. I need to make two actually. Two animated sprites. There we go. This one is for the explosion, and the other one is for the crossfire. Okay. So under explosion, I've created a bunch of sprites here for this. So I made this offline. Basically just a simple explosion animation that I've rendered in Blender using geometry nodes. If I play this, look at this. Using 24 frames. There we go. Look at that. It's so big. But anyway, that's the explosion that we're gonna be importing. I'm gonna pause that for a bit. Because over here, we need to make a I don't think I need to make this a sprite, an animate sprite. Just make this a sprite 2D, I think. Duplicate. I don't know. Change type to sprite. Sprite 2D. Okay. And over here, I'm not sure whether I want to animate this, but for now we'll make this like that, and texture, it's just this. Nice. Okay. Yeah, sure, we'll make it like this. And the character... This character body 2D, I think, should have... I need to copy the script for my Owloon class here. Okay. global.player body. Okay. Global.player body. Player body player. Okay. Let me go back here. Control S. Call it cross fire. Okay. Need to make another area 2D here, I think. With its own shit. I need I think I need to go to the washroom a while here. Air 2D, make a collision shape 2D. And we'll make this a circle. That. We'll give some leg room for my player to escape this, the freaking explosion. Okay. So explosion, active body 2D. No, I don't want another node. I want to make a crossfire script here. Scripts, duck cycle, crossfire. Create. Okay. And I'm just gonna copy whatever I've written for the Owloon class here. Let's see, spawned equals false. Control C. Control V. Speed will be, I think, much bigger, I think. Speed, okay. I want this to be fast as frick. And down in the Owloon, we'll copy, I guess. Huh. Oh, this guy's fast. Right. Control C. V. I'll change some of the variables here to add this, a extra digit to this. Okay, and then I need to change the Owloon. Okay. Get all of this stuff. Control C. B. Main character, global.player body. Oh, no, I don't need this. I don't need this thing to be running around the background. I want to move toward, be a last speed equals speed. Anyway, guys, I'm about to go on a rant about what I've watched on Netflix, but I think my focus isn't there yet to talk about stuff during this freaking scripting stream. Last speed. This will be a float. Okay. Let's see. Last. I need a move toward. Move toward last speed to speed and I don't know. Negative 10,000 maybe? 10,000. Okay. Wait, main character is greater than. So let's get rid of this delta here. Okay. 10,000? Maybe? Wait. If main character dot position dot x is greater than or equal to position dot x. Okay. Main character last speed equals speed and speed is equal to velocity dot x. Though it kind of like loops onto itself, right? We'll not change the speed variable here. Wait, let me make the freaking maps in my mind. So when it goes there, I need something that can check. I need to make an enum thing here. Enum var fire state. Move and check. Okay. That. So now we need to make a var fire state. Fire states, okay. All right. If fire states equal to fire states dot check. I'm gonna get rid of this. Why is it still here? Last speed. I mean, it's over here. Oh. Last speed. There we go. Okay. I need to make like a state for each of this. Frick. I know, I think it's already like doing the thing I wanted to. I think I need this, wait. Dot move. Okay. Timer minus equals 1, maybe. Var timer equals 5. times delta. So I guess, yeah, I should really get 5. Why not? Then if fire state equals fire state dot check, then fire state fire state equals velocity dot velocity equals vector 2 0 0. Okay. And I guess I need to make an animation for this. Animation explosion dot play. Okay, sure, why not? We'll play the default. Explosion dot pause. Okay. A move timer here. Move timer. Okay. And also make a var shoot timer equals 2. Shoot timer minus equals 1. Oh, wait, no, 5. Control C, Control V. 5. Shoot timer minus equals 1. 2. Okay. Times delta. Okay. Explosion dot play default. Yeah. explosion dot show. Is this playing it? Okay. Yep. Okay. Right, I'm gonna copy this to a new function just to organize everything. Function move and shoot underscore delta. Okay, there we go. Shoot timer is equal to 0. Fire state equals fire states dot move elif shoot timer if move timer is less than 0, then fire states equals fire states dot check. Okay. Alright, let's go to my space shooter here. I'm gonna get rid of this duck cycle for now. And we will spawn in the crossfire script. Here's it, small scenes. Crossfire. Okay. Transform. Like this, maybe. Okay. It's a collision for this one. Okay. Cool. Alright, so if we play this now. Actually, wait, before we play this. Go back to Crossfire. Move and shoot, okay. Let me get the Crossfire variable here as well. Show. See. Hide. Okay. What do you mean can call Crossfire? Oh. Wait, no, it should be called, right? Crossfire in a null value. This sucks. Okay, wait, if I just get rid of this. Yo, where's my guy? The fuck? No, let me reload this script one more time. Okay, that guy just exploded. Why did he just explode? The guy just exploded, what the heck? Okay, show, hide, okay. Okay, will this... Okay. Print crossfire pause. Okay, and under crossfire move. Crossfire move. There we go. Okay, so it is like switching around. Crossfire move. But only like pauses for like... Okay, maybe it has something to do with the delta. I will get rid of this for now. Got it. C, Control V. C, Control V. Oh, let me just change the crossfire here to not loop. Don't loop it. Okay. Reload the scene. Okay, maybe it's the... Explosion.play default. I think this was like repeating, making the animation repeat itself. But it's not the looping anymore. Explosion. Dot. Oh. Get rid of this. Reload it. Oh, what's happening? Oh, okay. Okay, let me pause that real quick. It's working, I guess. I have to make another like okay, if dot check dot play, I'll make another freaking fire state here. There we go. If fire states equals fire states dot play, then we play and then fire states equals fire states dot check. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay, now this should not make sure it avoids like okay. There we go. And you can't shoot this. Gonna like tag you if set to like true or something. Alright, now I want to change up the freaking move towards here. Alright, it's disappearing again. Why is it disappearing? Maybe if I change this to like velocity.x. Oh, it's gone. Maybe 10? Let's try 10. Oh, it's gone again. It went it went that way this time. What this? Okay, so now it's like moving the way that I want it to, but it's like so freaking slow. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this then. About 100. Oh, it's gone. It's just gone. It has to be like faster though. Let me see. P. No. 0. 0. Oh wow, let this guy go. Wait. You're too fast. Let me put it down a bit to the middle here. And a little bit of, there we go. Changing too fast, what the heck? Alright. A little bit more subtle would work. Long way. Let's see. Control V. And there we go. It's still a bit too fast for me. What do you guys think? So this is this like the right speed? Because it kind of looks like the right speed, but I think the difficulty for this would be too much for the player. Considering that, you know, there'll be other stuff flying around the screen. Hey, I kind of like it. I don't know. Let me just maybe the things here for a bit. Be like, you can have this 20,000, and the rest maybe 5,000. Let's see. Let's reload the scene once again. Oh, that's slow. Okay, maybe 20,000 was the was the golden goose, I guess. About 10,000. Let's see. 10,000 to maybe 30,000. Nope, that's not it. 20 to 40? Maybe that's the golden goose. Or 40 to 50, let's see. 40 to 50. Maybe it's just that I'm reloading the scene again? Let's see. Okay, that's not it. Okay, maybe I need to add an extra 0, maybe. Oh my god, this is just like one enemy, by the way. You can sort of tell now why this game is taking a bit of a long time for me to make. Well, not even one enemy, it's like half an enemy. Okay, now it's like... Okay, now that's too fast. So we're down to like 10 to 3, I guess. Let's reload the scene. Alright. Alright, we'll stick for the speed for now. Now I need to implement a system here wherein this will automatically spawn when they hit the ground running. Okay. So let's... How did I do the... I think I need to create... do it again, like here. Okay, I need to make an instance of... Yeah, and turtle cart equals character body dot... and character body 2D. I don't have a character body 2D here. Oh, it's for the... okay. Okay, so I just need to make an instance. Okay, cross... duck, fire, and cross. Okay. Crossfire. Instantiate. Okay, Control C. Duckfire cross. This one. Crossfire spawn. Scripts. Duck cycle. Open. Create. Okay. OV. Okay, spawn pause, z index equals zdex, change speed. Okay. Okay, so back to here, I guess. Turtle car. Space shooter. I know, go back to duck cycling crossfire. It's dire. Hold on. Enemy class? No, I want... Crossfire. Oh, Dire's not here. Oh, projectile. So we'll just copy this just in case. We'll see. I think I need to change the direction of my crossfire because it's already like doing whatever it can. Okay. Then node 2D add child call deferred. If crossfire, if get the Alright. Now I need to run this function here. If character body 2D dot velocity dot x is equal to 0 and has var hash shot equals false. Hash shot equals false. Shoot. Okay. And hash shot equals true. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now if we go back to our level here. I'm gonna get rid of the thing here. Where is it? This one. Alright. Delete. Okay. Go back here. Duck cycle and crossfire. And let's change this to a duck cycle. Okay. All right. So now I want this to disappear when it... Actually, no, before we do that, let's just see if this works as I intended it to. Go down here. Small syndicate of the shaders. Duck cycle and crossfire. Put one here. Let's shrink it down. Okay. Put one right here. A base object of type crossfire.gd. Huh? What is this? I guess I don't need this. Wait. Spawn rotation. Okay, wait. I need to just get rid of this stuff here. There we go. Alright, this should work. I don't really use the VOD, the direction variable there, so might as well just get rid of it. That was, by the way, that code I used for the crossfire, for the bullets here, is copied from another tutorial that uses it for spawning bullets from a turret. Hello, I'm here. Hello, I'm here. Over here. Come on, come at me. Come at me, bro. Alright, so that works, I guess. It's not tracking my position though. Let me see, crossfire. It should track my position, right? Okay. It is kind of following me, it's just that it's not like maybe change this to like global position, maybe. Let's see. Let's see, global position. Maybe that's the way. Oh, yep, there we go. Alright, let me just shrink down the crossfire here. It's so ridiculously big here. Alright. Shrink it down. Transform. Maybe like this. Okay. Okay, that's too small. How about point 0.6? Maybe 0.6 is good. And for the Z index though, what did I do? I know I did something with the Z index. It's like going under my thing. Let's see. Oh, I just kind of increased the index to 1. This one, what's the Z index here? Okay, this is a temporary solution. We'll just increase the Z index to 2. Okay. Is there a way to change the background here to like? Okay. Alright, nice. Alright, how long have I been streaming? 3 hours, oh my god. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. I apologize if this is a very short stream, but I just want to do like one quick change to my game, and that is adding this one little guy here. And from here on, I think I'm already like done with almost all of the difficult parts here in this game of mine. Making the UI and the main menu and stuff, I think that's easy to make, as well as the instruction manual. What else? Oh, and I guess I also need to make the power-ups as well. That's one hard thing to make as well. And also, I need to create a spawning system for my enemies here. But overall, I think the main characters, all of their codes, they are technically already good to go in terms of their behavior. I just need to make the spawning system, the power-ups, the user interface, and yeah, we're good. We're pretty much good. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. Speaking of which, if I can make a UI, where's the camera? Where did I put the camera here? Is that over here? It's like the telegrid. Ah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, I might have to like figure out how the UI would work, because I want like a score system to always be available on my camera, but you know, like my camera is like moving around, so I'm not sure how this will work. But anyway, you know, I'll figure things out. But anyway, I guess this is the end of the stream. Again, let's give you guys a little bit of what we've made so far. We made this specific enemy type that turns my game into a game of duck hunt in a way. except that if you're not playing the hunter, you're playing the duck that's trying to avoid the crossfire from hitting you. The crossfire still can't injure you though, but we're able to injure the hunter though. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this stream, guys. Alright, so yeah, this is what we made, this duck. It can spawn like a little bit of this this crosshair that can like destroy me if I am not careful enough. Yeah guys, this is it for the stream. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. God, this guy is gonna be a very difficult enemy to dodge unless you kill it right away. So yeah, this is it for today's stream, guys. Now go read a book. Bye bye.